Hi, Titil ma'am. Hi, Ashutosh. Hi, Rohit.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, Pooja ma'am. Hi, Vijayalakshmi ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
Hi.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Happy Anand Chaturthi to all of you. Today is a very special day, Ganesha Visarjan Day. So I think a lot of techniques are to be used for prosperity, which I'll explain you after the meditation.
मैंने झोपली ना बघितलं तू मैंने झोपली ना बघ लगेच चक्कर मारून
Hi, Suranda. How are you? Just got up?
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Two minutes to go. Let's start our 2 minutes. Just 1 minute to go. Okay, let's start. Close your eyes. Now, let's start with the breathing exercise. Now, as there's some couple of new guys, Ashutosh is new. Just explaining what is breathing. There are 7 chakras. When I say breathe in, you have to think that there's a heaven light coming from the heaven. It comes to your crown chakra, goes all the way to your heart. When you breathe out, it will go through your legs, through the roots, and to the mother earth. Okay, now let's start. It's 3:30 on the clock. First of all, breathe in. Hold your breath. Get the energy from the heaven and also the sun and moon energy to your heart chakra. Now relax your heart chakra, relax your heart, give the heart some happiness. Very, very important. Many times we always give a lot of trauma to the heart. So let us give some happiness to the heart. Let's stay cool. And now let's exhale. Om. Second time. Inhale. Hold your breath at your heart chakra. Think of all your wishes, all your intentions, they are getting fulfilled. Your heart is now very happy, no tensions, nothing. And whatever your frustrations are, let's flush it out by exhaling. Oh. Inhale. Get the energy to your heart. Give heart some happiness. Let the heart be very happy. Soothe your heart. And now exhale. Om. Inhale from heaven. Get the energy to your heart. Give the positive energy to your heart. Let it be very happy. Now exhale. Om. Last time. Inhale. Hold your breath. Give energy to your heart. Give happiness to your heart. Let your heart feel very happy. Now exhale. Oh. Okay. Close your eyes. Wherever you are, imagine that you are sitting in a golden pyramid with your near and dear ones and with wolf. Now let's invoke wolf. Wolf is such an animal which will help you manifest or fulfill your wishes. So let's request wolf to fulfill our wishes. Wolf magic begin now. 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 And wolf magic begin now. Thank you, Wolf, for fulfilling our wishes, and thanks for coming in. Next, let's imagine an ultraviolet rays coming from the universe, comes on your crown chakra, which is your head, goes through various parts of the body, through your third eye, through your throat chakra, which is on your throat, through your heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra, your legs, feet are the legs, and it gets grounded through the roots. Whatever extra energy or negative energy which the body doesn't require, let us ground them. Now let's say I'm protected, I'm protected, I'm protected. So this is a protection shield which we have made. Now let's directly get into the healing and meditation for each and every chakras. First, let's clean the chakras. Imagine a pure water coming from the heaven, comes on your head. It first cleans your crown chakra, then your throat chakra, then your third eye, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra, and root chakra, and again gets grounded. So now all the 7 chakras are cleansed by water. Now let us remove all the blockages which are there in all the 7 chakras. A golden pyramid, small pyramid coming from again from heaven, comes on your crown chakra, remove the blockages of your crown chakra, your third eye, your throat chakra, your heart chakra, remove the blockages from the solar plexus, sacral chakra, and also root chakra. Next, I call upon angels, Archangel Michael, for becoming more courageous, removing fear, Archangel Samuel, for any relationship issues, to patch up any relationship issues, Archangel Ariel, for getting jobs, careers, everything. Archangel Haniel again for peace, and Archangel Jophiel for having internal and external beauty. Multiple other archangels, which includes Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gadkiel, etc., etc. Archangel Metatron. Thank you, all the angels, for helping us to manifest our dreams. Now, let me add the various modalities right away. To start with, Karuna Reiki. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nusa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nusa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nusa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nusa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nusa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nusa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nusa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Zonar Hat Halu Rama Nusa Kriya Om Ivave Shanti. Next, Lama Fera. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Aluma Amin Trambaka Vakatutana Saishi. 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 Kriyasa Nitya Kriyam Pava Indrakshi Samira. 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 Honcha Insurance Eki Chopre, 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 Chopre. Now, Ganesh resurgent today. Let's salute Ganesh Ji. Om Gan Ganpate Namaha, 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 Om Gan Ganpate Namaha. Let's again salute Lakshmi Ji. मातार में मदके दबग्नि महिष प्राण प्रवदन में हेला निर्मित त्रिमलोचना वदे चंडमंडादिनी निश्शेषि कृत रक्त बीदत निजे नित्य निसंभावे शुंभ ध्वंसि संसारं चौधरीदं दुर्गे नमस्ताम्बिके मातार में मदके दबग्नि महिष प्राण प्रवदन में हेला निर्मित त्रिमलोचना वदे चंडमंडादिनी निश्शेषि कृत रक्त बीदत निजे नित्य निसंभावे शुंभ ध्वंसि संसारं चौधरीदं दुर्गे नमस्ताम्बिके मातार में मदके दबग्नि महिष प्राण प्रवदन में हेला निर्मित त्रिमलोचनावदे चंडमंडादिनी निश्शेषि कृत रक्तबीजत निजे नित्य निसंभावे शुंभ ध्वंसि संसारं च दुरिदं दुर्गे नमस्ताम्बिके. Now we have put various modality. Now comes your beach mantra, which is as important to open up all the seven chakras. Start with the root chakra. Lam. 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 Next, your sacral chakra. Vam. 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 Vam, Vam. Next, your solar plexus. Ram, 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 Ram. Next, your heart chakra. Yam, 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 Yum, 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 yum. Next, your throat chakra. Hum, 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 hum. Next, your third eye. Om, 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 Om. Lastly, the crown chakra. Aum, 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 Aum. Now, your chakras are cleansed, your chakras are, the blockages are removed, and the beach mantras are put so that you can open out your chakras much better. Now, let's again do the breathing exercise for 5 times before we could start the energy pull. Inhale, exhale. Oh. Inhale, hold your breath. Now circulate your breath, your energy across all the parts of your body. You might be having a headache, so circulate energy there at the head, leg ache at the leg. And now exhale. Om. Inhale. Hold your breath. Circulate energy at all the parts of your body. And now exhale. Om. One more time. Inhale. Hold your breath. Circulate energy at all parts of your body. And now exhale. Om. Now let's start the energy pull today. Wherever you are, look at yourself from your foot to your head. Look at your own size in terms of your weight, in terms of your physique. Now start expanding. Expand yourself to the size of the room. You're becoming as big as the room. Expand yourself to the size of the entire building. You're becoming as big as your building. Expand yourself to the size of the entire city. Expand yourself to the size of the entire state. Expand yourself to the size of the entire country. Expand yourself to the size of the entire continent. Expand yourself to the size of the entire world. Expand yourself to the size of the entire planets. Expand yourself to the size of the entire Milky Way. And lastly, expand yourself to the size of the entire universe. Now you're as big as universe. Now, when you look at Earth from the universe, which is a small piece of ball, you are the power, you are the creativity, you are the awareness, you are the control. Now, what you require is the money and energy. Now, let's start pulling energy from the earth. Now, pull the money energy from the earth, keep pulling from your left, keep pulling from your right, keep pulling from your top, keep pulling from your bottom, keep pulling from your front, keep pulling from your back, and keep pulling from your center. Keep pulling money energy till the time you're tired. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Now, let us look at one every wishes in detail. First, let's look at pulling energy for getting new job, promotions. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Whoever wants new job, keep pulling energy from the earth or promotions. Second thing is visas. You want to go to the other country or get an upgrade on the visa. Please pull energy for having a better visa status. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Third thing, of course, your business needs to run well, or your family business needs to run well. So keep pulling energy to run your family business, to remove all the obstacles which comes in business, have a better profit, have a better sales, and new customers. Keep pulling a lot of energy from the earth. Next, of course, reconciliation issue. You want your ex, or you want some reconciliation, or you want to find a new soul partner. Let's keep pulling love energy. Let us keep pulling love energy, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling love energy. Now, keep pulling courage energy. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Along with that, now pull energy for having a better health. Any issues on the health, let it get resolved without any surgery. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling energy for a better health. Keep pulling. Now, keep pulling energy for any other issues like court issues or any other things. Now, you pulled up a lot of energies. Time now has come to manifest these energies. First of all, imagine from your home, there are a lot of trucks coming in with lots of billions of zillions of money. Now, that has come to give it to you. Start accepting that money. Receive the money from your left, right, top, bottom, front, back, center. The money is flowing in all these directions. And now become a money magnet. Say, I'm a money magnet. Next, you're getting a beautiful job, your wish job, with promotions on your job. So be happy. Third, your visa status are getting upgraded at cross country level. Fourth, business issues are getting resolved. You are able to get new customers, new sales, more profits, and create a brand for yourself. Next, energy for health is consumed so that your health is better now. You're able to do much more efficiently than before. Then, of course, for any other issues like court cases and any other stuffs, wherein you pulled energy, that is also now manifested. So now you pulled energy, you got the manifestation. Now you have become so big as universe. Now time has come for you to go to the original position. Go back to the original position via the planet, via the Milky Way, globe, continent, country, state, city, building, and your room. So now you come back to your room, pause. Now, most important part of energy pull is to provide gratitude. This is where your wishes really get manifested. First is let's say gratitude to our forefathers, ancestors, gratitude to them. Second thing is for those who are dead, who are a part of you, gratitude to them. Your gurus, gratitude to your gurus, your animal spirit guides, gratitude to your animal spirit guide. Next, let's say gratitude to animals. Let's say gratitude to plants. Let's say gratitude to your bank accounts, which keeps on increasing, but we never thank them. Let's say gratitude to all the financial investments we have made. It can be in form of share or fixed deposits or anything else. Gratitude. Next, let's also say gratitude to your own self, your body. You can always say, first of all, you need to love your body, then only you can love others. And of course, gratitude to your heart and say your heart, I love you. Gratitude to all the 5 elements which we are made up of. And gratitude to your parents, sibling, and your kids. Now, rub your palms. Keep it on your third eye. Throat chakra. And finally, heart chakra. And now, feel the pulse of the heart. And slowly open your eyes. That's it from my side for meditation. Today, we are again on sacral chakra. Today is the 5th day. Sacral chakra is orange in color. So consume all orange stuff. Have an orange shirt if possible. Wear an orange stuff. Or if you don't have an orange stuff, take an orange small cloth. And of course, Ganesha Visarjan, one of the best day to be in. If at all you find someone doing a Visarjan for Ganesha, what you do is you write a wish list. Along with that Visarjan, let your wish list also get immersed in water. This is one of the best day to do. Or if at all you already taken a Ganesha and plan to do Visarjan, you can just immerse that paper in the water. Or best thing is what, even if you're not having the Visarjan, imagine that you're done a Visarjan and write the wishes and put it in the water and throw them off. Of course, today being Sunday, you can light an orange candle or a yellow candle for new beginning. A black candle is not mandatory. If you have, you can always do a black candle. And today, of course, is a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Purnim. We'll have a special meditation either tomorrow or day after tomorrow, which I'll announce. We'll have a special angelic meditation. I think should be by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, which I'll announce you. And this angelic meditations are very powerful. And let's prepare for the full moon day. Day after tomorrow and day after tomorrow is a full moon day. So during full moon, a new life is started. So which I'll explain you and put it in the group. And multiple other remedies. Today, of course, being Sunday, some people even offer water to sun. When you're offering water to sun, do not waste that water. Let it go under the tree or under a plant. And that's it from my side. Any questions I'm ready to take? Please shoot your questions now.
सर एक दिन एंसेस्टर हीलिंग भी करवा दीजिए क्योंकि पितृपक्ष चल रही है, स्टार्ट होने वाला कल से.
मैं शाम को एंसेस्टर हीलिंग भी करवा दूंगा, डोंट वरी मैम. ओके. अरे मैं सिंबल्स आना भूल गया, आई एम सो सॉरी. Just close your eyes. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry on that. Just close your eyes. Putting clearing symbols. It also includes ancestor clearing. Ask for a wish. Your wish is getting manifested. And I'm doing the money healing for you so that you get a lot of money. Rupee, dollar, euros, pound. And Midas symbol. Midas. Yeah, you open your eyes. Yeah, so I think tonight or tomorrow night, it will be wonderful. So we want to do it on a Punnim, especially the angelic healing. And ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, we'll show you an ancestral healing also. Thank you for reminding us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
very
much.
Thank you.
Thank you very
all of
much.
you, and
Thank you so
a
much.
beautiful Sunday ahead.
Thank you.
All the best and have a great day. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Teja.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tusharji. Thank you, Smitaji, Arunaji, and everybody. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.